Catherine McGuinness, City of London Policy Chair, has said it's natural that Chinese currency renminbi is gaining importance as its economy grows.
We've seen real moves since RMB was first traded and cleared here in London. Of course, the inclusion of the RMB in the SDR basket back in 2016 was a big step. We've seen an increase since then. I think with China being the second largest economy in the world and predicted by many to become the largest in a few years' time, it's only natural that we're seeing a growth in importance of its currency as well. And it's also only natural that London, as a leading global financial centre with strengths in foreign exchange, should see a lot of that trading. We've seen a fantastic growth in the trading of RMB over the last few years. 2021 alone, 7% increase in daily volumes. This is not surprising, as this is the centre for foreign exchange, and we have a strong connection with trade in China. We have over 40 Chinese financial institutions in the city alone. It's not surprising that we should be the leading offshore financial centre for trading of RMB outside Greater China. There are many challenges that we all face, I think, in the years ahead. The pandemic has been just one example. So what we can say with confidence, I think, is two things. There will be fluctuations ahead, depending on how the world moves. But we will also see the RMB continue to be an important player on the international stage.